Hello, once again welcome to Mathline channel. In this channel, you will be getting a basic maths lesson every week. Those who have not watched the previous lessons, please watch from the beginning and continue watching. So today I am going to explain a new topic but continuation of the last lesson. So last class you have learned how to represent statistical data using a frequency table. Today, you can learn how the data can be represented diagrammatically. The first one such diagrammatic representation is bar diagram. Bar diagram is number of bars you have to draw according to the quantitative information. It is to be drawn in coordinate system. Coordinate system means x-axis and y-axis. X-axis is the number line drawn horizontally and y-axis is the number line drawn vertically. Both intersect at the origin. When two axes are drawn in a plane, the plane is divided into four parts. Each is called quadrant. Here only you have to consider the positive values. Therefore, only the first quadrant to be used for drawing bar diagram. Therefore, you can draw the x-axis and y-axis to the extreme left and extreme bottom. And another thing, while drawing the diagram, the bars are having certain length. The length depends upon the quantity of the numeral. So it will be of different unit. What is the unit of length? Centimeter, millimeter, meter, etc. That we can represent in the diagram. But the quantity should not be in that unit. It can be number of children, age, weight, any other quantities it can be. It is not necessary that it should be in length. So we have to convert. It is not possible to convert into different units, but proportionally you have to take the measurement while drawing the diagram. For that, you have to take certain unit with respect to the numerical information. So here the diagram is the information of number of students in three divisions A, B and C. So on y-axis the number of students and division is on x-axis. On x-axis it is not necessary to take any unit. For the diagram to look beautiful, we will keep equal gap or equal distance. Division A, division B, division C. And these bars are rectangular figures. And the height of the bar represents the quantity of the information. Here the quantity of information is number of students. So how you will represent the scale on y-axis? Here the line is having length which has unit centimeter or millimeter. So that you have to proportionally convert into number of students. That is called unit. So on y-axis only you have to take the unit. What is the unit I have taken in this diagram? 1 centimeter equal to 10 students. 1 centimeter equal to 10 students. We have to represent students on y-axis. So we will mark at 1 centimeter 10, next 2 centimeter 20, 3 centimeter 30, and 4 centimeter 40, 5 centimeter 50, maximum 50 only coming in this figure. So in order to mark more easily, if you draw the bar diagram in graph paper, have you seen graph paper? The graph paper is divided into number of vertical lines, each 1 centimeter distance, vertical line as well as horizontal line. The distance between the two consecutive lines is 1 centimeter. Again, this 1 centimeter is divided into 10 equal parts. Each will be 1 millimeter, both horizontally and vertically. So you can see it consists of very small squares. Each is 1 millimeter square. And 10 millimeter completes, you can see big squares. That is 1 centimeter square. That is where the graph paper. So if you use the graph paper, it is very easy to mark the scale on y-axis and draw the diagram. For example, suppose it is 5. You have to see 5 millimeter. If it is 16, so after 10, sixth line. So in between 1 centimeter and 2 centimeter, 10 small lines will be, each will be 1 millimeter. Clear? So graph paper can use to draw the bar diagram. Now looking at the figures, you can realize that the division C has maximum number of students and division A has minimum number of students. Here the height of the bar, how to draw the bar? The data is given. Division A has 35 students. So at 35 you have to mark a horizontal line above A. 35 how you will take from 35th line. At the horizontal line drawn for each bar should have equal width. Any convenient width you can use for the bar and complete the rectangle. So width of the all the rectangle should be same. And the height represents the quantity of information. So at 35, I have drawn this horizontal and completed the rectangle. Similarly, in division B, at 45, the number of students is 45. So at 45, from 45th line, 45 I have drawn the horizontal having the same width and completed the rectangle. Similarly, in division C, 48. So after 48th line you have to see 48 and draw the horizontal line and complete the rectangle. So this is the simple bar diagram. It is a small data. Clear? It is a simple bar diagram. The bars are the diagrammatic representation of the given quantitative information or statistical data. What is the data here? the number of students studying in 3 divisions A, B and C. That is the information. That information you have to represent using bar diagram. What I have done first? First drawn the number line, that is x-axis horizontally and y-axis. And y-axis you have to calibrate using the unit, convenient unit, that you can use any unit according to your convenience. I have taken 1 centimeter equal to 10 students. So we have to mark first on x-axis, y-axis 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 maximum have to see in the data. On x-axis it is not necessary to take unit but make equal gap. Clear? And all the rectangular bars should be of equal width. You can shade the rectangle, it is not necessary. So this is the way of representing statistical data using bar diagram. More about bar diagram you have to learn, that we can learn in the next class. So this is the end of today's lesson. Thank you for watching this lesson. Please share and forward as much as possible to the students of all standard. And also watch each and every video from the beginning to end for better understanding. So have a nice day. Bye bye. See you next week. Bye.